there, I'm Angela Brown and this is House Cleaning 360 and today's topic are keywords. Now you might ask me, what's the big deal about keywords? Well, the big deal about keywords is when someone sits down at the computer and they're typing in a Google search and they're looking for you, what words are they going to use? So for example, let's say that you're a house cleaner and let's say that you have weekend service. You work on Saturdays and Sundays. Your keywords might be weekend service, house cleaning, cleans house, house cleaner. Those are the kinds of terms people are going to search for. So let's say that I work during the week or whatever, and I'm only home on the weekends, and I want someone to be at my house when the house cleaner comes, and I'm looking for a house cleaner that works weekends. So I'm going to type in my city or my state or my zip code or my neighborhood, and I'm going to type in house cleaning or house cleaner or house cleaning services or maid services, and then I'm going to type in weekend service, right? I'm going to type in those keywords to narrow it down to find the right person for me. Because if I find a service that only comes on Tuesdays, that's not going to serve me if I need weekend service, right? So what is your niche? And I'm going to ask you to narrow it down really small. So if you do, let's say 30 different services, just pick one. We only want to focus on one now. Because if you have 30 different services, you're not going to be able to go very deep in the keywords. And every business listing gets about 20 keywords. And so you're going to pick about 20 to 25 keywords, and you're going to really hone in on those keywords, and you're going to use them in everything you do for the rest of your time on the internet promoting this business. So if you have two businesses, let's say that you do carpet cleaning and you do house cleaning, you want to make sure you have two sets of keywords. And you want to make sure that you have two separate business listings, because the person looking for you in carpet cleaning doesn't need your house cleaning keywords. They're only hiring you for carpet cleaning, and you want to go deep into that niche. And so we will have a separate listing for that with all of those keywords. For this exercise, just focus on one business. There will be other businesses, and lots of people have multiple businesses. Lots of people have multiple business listings. But for this exercise, let's focus on one. Get really good at the basics on one. And then you can turn around when you know what you're doing and you can duplicate it very easily to your other sites. But if you're trying to do it on all of your sites simultaneously, you're going to go crazy and it's going to be a lot of work, and you're going to give up about day 6 or 7, and then none of your search engine optimizations are going to actually make it to the top. So only focus on one for this exercise. All right, so that's our note about keywords.